As you are probably aware, the price of Ethereum went down a lot, and I received a couple of questions of people who are worried about what does it mean for the future of the blockchain and for blockchain developers. The question is, as a blockchain developer or someone who wants to become one, should you care about the recent plunge of the market of cryptocurrencies? Well, the short answer is yes and no. And in this video, I'm going to explain you why. I'm also going to explain you how you should react based on this answer. Before we dive in, I'd like to quickly tell you about the new membership website I've created, EatTheBlocks Pro. This is for extra tutorial video for blockchain and Ethereum developer. You can find more details about what I teach on the website on this link. So check it out. If you have any question, ask me in the comment. So first, why you should care. You should know that there are a lot of blockchain projects that were funded with ICOs. That means that they receive cryptocurrencies when investor invested money. They might have received Bitcoin or Ether. So you might think that a lot of these projects might have sold their cryptocurrency for fiat money right away, but actually there is a certain number of them who kept the cryptocurrencies and just sold the Ether or their Bitcoin to fund their employees every month. So they just sold what they needed every month, but they didn't sell anything at the beginning, which make them vulnerable to a decrease in the price of crypto. So that's the bad news. The good news is that it's not all blockchain projects who did like this. Some of them received the money in Ether or Bitcoin and sold everything to an exchange right away to hedge themselves against a decrease in the price of cryptocurrencies. Also, you have some blockchain projects that were not funded through an ICO, but that were funded with VC capital. So VC means venture capitals, and this is the traditional way that startups are funded. Usually the amount of funding that you can get with a VC is smaller than with an ICO, but the good thing is that it's with real cash, so you will not have any problem of converting your crypto to real cash. Also, in the category good news, it's not because the price of crypto goes down that it actually affects the value of the blockchain technology. This is just a reaction of the market, and the market is always too emotional. And finally, by being an early adopter before the blockchain goes mainstream, that when it finally goes mainstream and not everybody find itself looking for some blockchain talent, then if you already can say, oh, you know what, I've been working on blockchain for 4 or 5 years, then you're gonna find yourself in a very good position and you're gonna have way better salary than other people. So taking into consideration the positive things I said and the negative thing I said, and the question is how you should react to that. Well, I don't recommend you to leave altogether the blockchain industry. This is still an industry that has a lot of future. But what you should do is that you should be a little bit more careful about what kind of company you want to work with. Especially, you can ask them questions about their funding. So you can ask them, did you get funding through an ICO or through VC? And if it is through an ICO, then you can clearly ask them, did you keep the money in Ether or Bitcoin, or did you change it to cash? Don't be shy about that kind of question, because this is about your future. So you want to make sure that the project you're joining has a good financial situation. So I hope that I've answered the question, should you be worried about the recent decrease in the price of Ether? And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video for blockchain and Ethereum developer. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.